Hello, everybody. Okay. I don't know why that's there. 48,100 that's supposed to be. Way off. Let's put that back to where it should be. Okay. Hello, everybody. Not many people in here yet. I'm just going to, just take a look across the markets and see what we've got going on. Bitcoin not looking too happy right now. So we'll see how this progresses. Okay, this clearly needs reloading. Hello Shane, hey AJ, hey Alex, Nicholas, Hassan, Runner. Runner, apologies for bringing shame on the troop. Why is that? Have you been liquidated or something? Let's have a look. Oh, you're only down 1%. We've had a couple of liquidations on the competition. Man, Bitcoin is not looking too happy. So we will see how this progresses this evening. I'd love to be able to stream the candle close because I think we're going to get a move during Asia and I'd like to stream Asia. I reckon Bitcoin's just going to hang on for the next few hours and then maybe Asia dumps it as usual, but poof. How's ETH doing? ETH is still holding out, so... But Ethereum's just hit the monthly. Okay. Oh, man. Ethereum's just hit its target on ETH BTC. I just feel that this is going to, like... This seems to be a deviation at the moment on this. I do think I'm not going to say definitely, but just everyone be aware. Remember, we are closing the month this evening, and with ETH doing this, hitting this monthly, yes, it's holding above this daily at the moment, but I don't know. I just feel that we could be on the verge of a big wipeout again. It just has that feeling to me. So caution anyone. So if you're watching this stream, please don't be overexposed into long positions. I mean, we could still move up from here. We're at range lows on Bitcoin. Ethereum is attempting to break out, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff that looks mega dumpy right now at the moment. But yeah, we'll see how this progresses. I just want to see a sign of strength. There's some echo. I don't know if there should be any echo. Is everyone else hearing me okay? If BTC drops, ETHUSD drops, wouldn't it be more bearish as ETH just broke massive resistance, Luke? Yeah. So Ethereum has broken massive resistance, but it got stopped like immediately. So basically, this is the ETH chart. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. It broke through this daily level. Yeah, that's been holding Ethereum down for quite some time. But all it did was take out the high of that day that we were looking at. So here's the daily level. We zoom in on this. Here's our daily level on Ethereum. It just took the high out and then got a swing failure pattern off of that. Took the liquidity above that daily close. What we're probably going to end up seeing on this is I do think we... oh man, will we close the day above here? We'll just have to wait and see. It just feels like a bull trap right now. I wouldn't want to be in a long position on here. So please, anyone, this was the target that I put on Ethereum this morning, okay? This is where I wanted to short Ethereum. We came straight into it, straight back below this liquidity. So far holding this daily level, okay? So that's actually okay. You can take longs off of this daily level and you can have an invalidation below VWAP or whatever you want to do. But as soon as we start a new day, that VWAP disappears, that support disappears. And yeah, we'll see how things go. But yeah, apologies everyone. I'm feeling a little bearish right now. And that is, for me, short on Ethereum. I am... That is me well, yeah, actually, that's me selling spot Ethereum as well as just shorting Ethereum on this. Like Ethereum coming up to that monthly, that's enough for me to sell. Oh man, it feels weird doing a bearish stream. ETH. I do not want to be in ETH. I will convert that back to USD. If Ethereum can break through and hold this monthly, I will happily get back into a long position. But right now, not wanting to touch this. ETH USD feels kind of trappy to me. So maybe a bit early to take a short. Especially when we're all the way down here already. Okay. We do have bullish CVD. Is it leading? What else do we have? Let's go on to... That's the Ethereum Classic. I do not want to have a look at that. We do have bullish CVD on Ethereum. Okay. How deep 3TSD your thoughts? So I ain't long during fall. Plus it's been in this range 29 to 33, taking all stops till 28 makes more sense. Yeah, I think what we'll see, and I'm not... This for me is definitely sell Ethereum territory, okay? But it could break out. It could break out. I need to actually... So many accounts. This one? Bear with me, guys. I just need to log into my main trading account. Because it's competition account, I need to... Incorrect password. That's not helpful. Yeah. Are you in USDT for your spot BTC? Yeah, so I'm not selling spot Bitcoin. I'm in a short on Bitcoin. But I do want to sell spot Ethereum at this point. I'm happy to hold spot Bitcoin because I think that this does okay. And everything's dumping. I'm not getting chance. Hold on. I'll be back in a minute. I just need to get rid of this ETH whilst I have the chance. Okay. All right, let's watch this. So Bitcoin's coming down onto this daily. Still trying to get out of my Ethereum right now. So, okay, cool. That's good. Okay. Uma, it could also do half of what XTZ did the other day. Small short hedge on mini range high just in case weak BTC. See, the thing is, I think Ethereum's topped out on the BTC pair as well, so I'm not looking for a hedge. I think Bitcoin's looking weak. I think Ethereum has come up into the level that we know to be resistance. We had a big rejection off of this the last time. I think we've come up into an area we know to be resistance. That for me is enough to sell until it clears this area, until we see some sign of strength. Like, it might happen, but I just don't really feel like I want to be... Why would you hold Ethereum when it's had a move up like this today? Um, we'll see. We will see. Bitcoin is literally hanging on by a thread. I am also quite aggressively shorting this on my main account. So I am shorting each little bounce. Apologies, everyone. I will see if there's another... I want to get into trade on the challenge account as well, though. This dip just keeps getting bought up by retail as well. Maybe not. Yeah. Hey Tony, new crew guy in the house. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. What I might do if I'm awake for Asia, I'm gonna do a few Asia sessions this week. I'm not feeling that. I don't really think I've got 2.5 hours left of energy in me, but yeah, we'll see how this goes. I would like to trade Asia tonight because it looks like it could be really, really good. Okay, let's start to have a look at serious targets. If we do move down, okay, so if we do see a move down on, let's cover Bitcoin first of all, then we have it as a reference for the rest of the market. We have a daily level. Below all of this, stop losses, we can just see this cascade. I think if we take out this low at this stage, I'd be surprised to see us stay above 46. So what we can do is we do have this harmonic in play, which can take us down to the 786 kind of area. If we draw something like this. So I did do this earlier on today on the stream. Do that pretty much perfectly. Arash, Alex. Yes, if everyone can smash up the likes, that would be great. Let's try and get the likes a little bit more bullish than Bitcoin's price action this evening. So, yeah. Session naked point of control. See, Mate, I'm going to say that I don't believe that I will have a session naked point of control there. I do 45,728. Are you talking session or daily? We certainly don't have a daily as our session. I don't know why. Yeah, I wouldn't trade it. I wouldn't trade a naked point of control off of a session. I have one here, 55,575. There's absolutely no way I would trade that. Not a chance. I would look for naked point of control on the 4-hour chart or the daily chart. So we do have a daily NPOC coming in at 44,400. We do have 4 hours. It's probably time to clean up some 4 hours. Okay, this works. This is close to what you're looking at. 45,728 for you. I've got 45,725. We've got a 4-hour NPOC there. Yeah, I'd allow a scalp off of that. For me, I would. Yeah, if that lines up with the 786, we're going 45,700. We've got this order block area here. We do have a zone, I would say, that would start from 45. Well, actually, it would start from the top of this OB. Zoom in a little bit on here. See, the problem is you could probably take this as a zone all the way down to like here. Arash, 44,959 options flow daily implied low 68%. Yeah, interesting. Kaylin, hello. Yeah, every Bitcoin's looking really just, you don't want to see this coming into a like a candle close. It just feels like it's being, yeah, like I'm just going to show you something on, I'm just going to show everyone something on AgriTrade quickly, because look at what it's doing. This is this is what happens when you just don't apply pressure on the chart. Like, it's just a natural kind of, people just buy Bitcoin all the time, and that's what we're seeing. This is all like tiny traders just trying to long at this low, because we're not getting movement here. If there was any significant buying going on, we'd be seeing like actual movement in the chart. But look what it's doing. This is just little, very small time players. Okay, just buying through. And the books are pretty thin above. Like, I do, yeah, we do have that. The books are pretty thin. But this is not strength. What we're seeing here, this is not strength at all. This is just Bitcoin, what happens when there's no aggression. And it does feel to me as though the aggression is just being held off until we get this close tonight. And then I do think we probably, I don't know. It feels to me like we're going to get a wipeout at some point. Unless I just need to see some strength, and then I'll change my mind. But I've tried a couple of longs today and they've just been really bad. The return on them's just been awful, and the shorts have been paying off. Like, you can get into a short, you know you're going to be okay in it. um, but that's just weak. Like, yeah. The buy volume, if we have a look on the actual exchanges as well. So if we take a look on, you can see here, just open interest just increasing, delta increasing. It could end up being leading. But I don't see any buying. I don't see anything worth buying here. Weirdly enough, we're on a really like, I can't. Hmm. See, we're getting market buying from some of the bigger players, but it's just not affecting the market. But could we short squeeze? Yeah, I'm gonna just. I'm probably not going to be talking that much at the moment. I'm just trying to figure this out. I'm trying to be completely neutral on this chart. Because whatever is going on right now, we're bound to see some volatility kicking in soon. It's just figuring out which way that's going to go at this stage, because there's got to be a trade here as well. So we're going to need some aggression to break down. We're going to need some strength to break up. As of yet, we've not had either of those things. Holding within value area. This value area has moved down. Alex Kalut, would you buy the same level as the previous low? It worked first time last night. Same buy wall was there. What is your opinion if the wall will not be removed? I see this is the daily level, yeah? So this is our daily level. We've hit it once, twice. This will be the third time. And this is, again, the same area that we did find support previously within this golden pocket. So we did find support within the golden pocket here, and we got a bounce out of it. So we had from low to a high, we hit that 618. Sorry, log, ignore that. We hit the 618, yeah? I just, 1, 2, 3, 4 times now we've been in this area. And every single time it's bounced, it's made a lower high. So here, lower high. Here, lower high. Okay, what we're going to do now, it could bounce. We could get a bounce out of it, but I would probably look for shorts if the daily... So if we do come up into VWAP, that could be a short. If we do... Even if we get a bounce, so like this into this daily level. See what ETH is doing? ETH's still going, to be fair to it. ETH's still going. I guess maybe it wants to try and like swing failure this. Then get caught below the monthly again. Maybe this is another like Tesla scenario. What actually happened with Teslas in the end? Cool. Yeah, Tesla's hit the golden pocket. Okay. Check XO Binance 5 million delta candles. Looks like swing failure pattern forming. We can't have a swing failure pattern on Bitcoin. Are you talking about Bitcoin? We can't have a swing failure pattern on that because we've not taken any lows. Let me just go back. Where there's no swing failure on this anywhere. If you're calling this a swing failure pattern, then this would have been, but eventually it still gets stopped. And that's the thing, every time it's taken a low, it's like, oh yeah, look, here's a swing failure pattern. No, falls down again. Here again, it needs to be something more significant. It needs to be this. Or even better, it needs to be this down here. Take a look at the order book. This will be really laggy on here, but let's just take a look anyway. See, the books are really thin. I mean, maybe we see a sign of strength. Maybe we can start to look at longs again at the moment. Let's think scenarios. What could Bitcoin do to make me want to get into a long position? Funding rate's not looking good. Jimmy, hello. Welcome to the stream, man. Okay. Yeah, if anyone has any questions and stuff, please do ask. I'm literally just trying to figure this out at the moment. It's really boring price action still. And we'll see what happens with it. I'm trying to track my CHSB, but can't seem to find a graph as nice as Luke's stuff. Someone sent me a Swissborg USD something or other recently. I can't remember where that is, where you can get a nice chart. I can have a look at Swissborg in a minute. What we can do, let's have a look through some alts. So if anyone would like me to have a look at some altcoins, and what we can do is, let's say hypothetically, we do get a bit of a rug pull on this at some point, possibly overnight. Okay, we may bounce, but let's say hypothetically we do get a retrace, and what we can start to look at as our major support on altcoins, because yeah, I kind of just get a feeling we're setting up for a loss of momentum from the bulls here. I would like to take a short somewhere on something, maybe on Ethereum. But the thing with Ethereum as well is it's just VWAP that's been holding it up today so far. Actually, right there. Down we goes. We're coming back down. I just took a very little short on ETH. Whoops. Don't want to be showing that. I forgot to actually hold on. I need to actually see that account for a second that I just accidentally brought up on screen. Whoa, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, cool, that is in profit. Good. This is the problem. A lot of alts also look really good. So I'm so torn. What is my bias right now? That's just a bunch of weekly levels. I'm just gonna place all of these onto this chart for a second. Again, bear with me a sec. They all look good enough. Ugh. Okay. I'm gonna do all new noob TA. Hmm. So on DOT, we do have potentially some bearish divergence forming on the 1 day. 4 hour looks fine. 8 hour, okay. 1 hour, okay. So DOT's looking all right. Sorry. uh, 4 hour RSI on ETH BTC. Daily just going on to. Oh, yeah. I think I need a bigger short. Whoa. Hmm. So targets for the ETH short, then I guess. Let's go back to that. I keep getting distracted. I'm still Still waiting. I guess until we get a move down, like until we do see like a big wipeout, then it's really hard to know where the top is. I guess you'd have to say this monthly on Ethereum, so 2,774. Do we have confluence with that? Oh, achy back again. So I'd say this is the area that I'm looking at if we do get a retrace. Why is that there? I think that's already happened. We did have the bounce off of this. We have come into that resistance. This would be so nice. An opportunity to take a Ethereum trade. I guess we're looking at maybe we have golden pocket from here to here. Yeah, from our lows. 382. Monthly open, why is that there? Cool. Oh wait, no, that is the old monthly open, yeah. Okay. May as well just turn that into a monthly now. Oh, okay. This chart's going to get really messy briefly, and then I'm going to clean it up. I just want to get local and global support sorted out on this. Ah, come on, move. Which one? Which low do we take? This one. Uh, okay. Okay, so here's what I've got on ETHUSD. First of all, looking for an area of support around this 33,240-ish kind of area. So what we do have there, and this is the only thing that will maintain this bullish market structure. So I do think we probably get a bounce. We're not just going to wipe out everything in one go. At this point, if we take out any of these lows, then I'm looking down at these lower targets, okay? So the more bullish scenario, if we do come down here, we lose this daily. I do think we get a move down into this 3,240 area. At that point, you could probably take a long, maybe even back into this daily, and maybe this just holds for a while. Then depending on what Bitcoin does, maybe we see a move down here. Obviously, this daily is going to be a significant area as well, but it would be quite nice if it comes down onto this monthly level also from this. So again, very much dependent on what Bitcoin does. That's going to be leading a lot of everything, I guess, right now. Bitcoin does seem to be moving down again as we speak. So we may be about to take out those lows on Bitcoin. But this gives me some areas to go on Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum's kind of traded everything that we need it to do. There's nothing above us now as resistance. That's like the last resistance that it's hit was that red box, and it came into it perfectly. So that's 382 with confluence on there. There's the 0.5 as confluence on there. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to share it in altcoins. Okay. So I'm just going to go back onto the comments. Ba, 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 ba. Where were we? Okay, Stratch. Three drive pattern on this last move down and similarities with 13th of August pattern. Okay, so I'm going to say the last time I heard three drives spoken about, because this 13th of June, this move down here. Okay, yeah, we did have three drives down, and yes, we did come down into here, and yes, it did fail to take the lows. So yeah, fair enough. This could still play out. Okay, so we could see something along the lines of, actually, let's just find a clean chart and let's draw this fractal because, oh, achy neck. Sorry, I always move my neck way too much when I'm sat down at a computer all day. And I also spill water all over me. Okay. So we need to scale this so it doesn't take out the lows. One possible scenario. See that this is what I'm thinking about as the last time I heard a 3 drives pattern. Was this 3 drives here, okay? So the last time I remember there being a proper 3 drives was this. And then look what happened after that. It was just carnage. And this is kind of what I feel like might be playing out at the moment. Because we do have this coming down. We do have some quite significant lows below us. So be aware of that one too. Okay, so there's always a possibility this can hold as support. Okay, it is major support on this chart. It will be a shame if it does hold. Because there are so much better trades if we just wipe out some leverage. So much better trades around. Stefan, how many trades have you taken on the World Series of Trading account? Like 3. I just haven't spotted an opportunity yet for like competition style trading. So yeah, we're early on into the competition at the moment. But yeah, not many at all. My thought process at the moment is because I was away at the weekend. So the reason why I haven't taken it like really any trades, I was away at the weekend. I think everyone, I did tell everyone that I was going to be away over the weekend, and today's just not been good conditions. I did take, really annoyingly, I did get this short. I closed it way too soon. Uh, so I've traded it okay. I took the long earlier today. I took the short, and that's it. Since then, after this, I haven't really taken anything else. I'm just waiting for just Bitcoin to do something. End of month, man. It's just yeah. Let's secondly look at Litecoin, because Litecoin is one of the few that I am more bullish on. Moses. No, I was not at a flower show. Jeez. Litecoin, where can we find some support? Yeah. Litecoin's pretty straightforward. Take out these stops. If it can get a move down into $156, that would be perfect. It would keep Litecoin, Bitcoin, BTC pair looking pretty decent as well. Maybe a move down into the monthly open off of this. So I'm more bullish on Litecoin than I am on other assets. Like Litecoin looks amazing. And this is basically what we're looking at on Litecoin at the moment. So what we probably have... So we have this monster wedge, which has had that breakout. And what we've now formed is a bit more of a channel, I guess. So we'll have to see how... Me. Not a fan of trend lines, but needs must. We will see what we've got. Too much empty space. No, forget that. Yeah. Jimmy's a bit Litecoin bull. That's good. Yeah, Litecoin is one that I definitely will be looking to buy. So if we can get a move down to $156, I mean, I'm just going to set my limit orders there already because that would be really, really nice. Litecoin. I would like to buy some Litecoin. If we take out these lows, let's go 108, between 158.50 down to, yeah, 155-ish. $157.70, 780. I'm doing this now as well on the stream because I know I will forget. 156.6. 155.8. Okay. Litecoin spot buys are in. So I have set my limit orders for Litecoin around this area. I have set an alert, so if I do want to take a leverage trade on that, again, if we do get a nice move down. We have to get a nice move down, otherwise none of this is going to happen. And annoyingly, we are just in an uptrend right now. But it would be nice to change that, get some cheap prices back. ETH alert. I need this to send me an email, otherwise I'll miss it. And to send me a pop-up. And to text me. Oh, I can't do that. That's annoying. Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin alert set at 45,800-ish. Ethereum alert set at much lower than it's going to go. Oh, it's here. Litecoin alert set. Also, if we take out this low. So many alerts. Link. Not interested. Yet interested. Dot. Not interested. ADA. Still here. Hmm. Oh yeah. I wanted to hit $3.40 and sell on the smart contract launch. Okay. Do I sell my Cardano as well as my Ethereum? Or do we give that a bit more chance? Yeah, I'm not gonna touch Cardano. Cardano still looks okay. Bow. All right. Does anyone want me to take a look at any altcoins? Oh, here we go. Aave. Tom J, what leverage am I using for the competition 100x YOLO? Nope. I'm just trading it as I normally would. I want it to be uh like basically just yeah, like realistic expectations of how you would trade, something like that. I'm going to, because this is the first time as a community we've traded the competition, so it's just kind of a warm up, getting everyone into the swing of things a bit on here. It's a bit of fun. We're having fun with it. I may 100x YOLO on the last week. Okay, one BTC. One, yeah, let's start with one BTC. There is one level that it needs to be holding as support, and that is about it. This will be a new monthly. You can take those higher ones. Hmm. Yeah. Harmony BTC, you've just got a range here. So your high is at 273, your lows at 177. I would just trade that as a range. And if we're looking on USDT, because it's a low cap, I wouldn't look at really anything else apart from the high time frame levels on this. Once again here, very simply, you've got a monthly level here. Important that that holds as support. You've got a monthly level here. Oh, damn it. No! Copy. We have got... There's this little like weekly OB, like a double little thing going on here. Yeah, resistance again. So Harmony's at resistance. I think this weekly level is quite an important one for it to hold. If it loses that, then we'd obviously be looking down towards our support. Down here looks really good. So you've got clear resistance, within this red zone here, and you've got pretty nice support down here. So if you're looking at trading Harmony, breakdown, Bitcoin's moving. Okay, let's follow this. Anyway, here's your support on Harmony, okay? I've just posted this into the altcoin section as well. Without any explanation, I just want to go back to the Bitcoin price action very quickly. Okay. I might scalp along 46,800. Let's just get this open. Just a little bit of a small one. 46,800. Am I gonna get there in time? No, it's just hit it, hasn't it? Ah, oh, that always happens when I'm streaming. Ah, did it too fast. I didn't have time to get in on a limit order. I don't want to. That's it. It had one opportunity. That's all it gets. I missed it. That would have been on the competition account, and I would have just been limit in, limit out really, really quick. But I did it before I saw it. Okay, never mind. Forget that. I'm not going to scalp along there anymore. That one's done. Where are we? I mean, it didn't really have much of a reaction anyway. Nope. Down we go again. Cool. Maybe. Do I get another opportunity on this? Liquidation's coming in. Sorry, I'm looking elsewhere at other screens at the moment. I really wanted just to scalp just the even 46,800 off of this. I missed it. The problem with streaming and trading at the same time, it is impossible. Get that. Would have got that so nicely. It even came back for a second chance. It gave me a second opportunity. I didn't take it. I mean, this is only a tiny move, but still, profit would be profit. Let's see if it continues lower. I will take profit though. I just click market short instead of take profit. All is okay. All right, cool. Poor Muppet. All right. Finance buying this dip like crazy again. Right, okay. So maybe Bitcoin gets a little bounce underway here. Shane Keating, I will have a look at XRP for you because I haven't had a look at this for a very, very long time. I do not trade XRP. Is there a nice chart for XRP anywhere? Look at that. Look at that ages ago. Is it accurate? I don't know. It's met up with this with this arrow quite nicely. I am tired. I am tired. David Bolstridge, do you think BTC will continue its downwards trend, or does it look like it's finding support? I think it will continue going down. I do think we're going to see a little bit of a wipeout. Like the NFT stuff's ridiculous. What I would really, really like to see on Bitcoin is a move down to 42k. Whether that happens all in one go, I don't know, but I would like to see a move down to 42k. This is basically buy the fucking dip. Okay, so that's my alert if we do come down that low. How far down is that? Only 10%. Oh no, it's this one. Ah, no, that was the wrong one. What am I doing? Ah, that's fine. This is the area I'd like to see Bitcoin come. Nah, you know what? This area I'd like to see Bitcoin coming into. Okay. Okay, and we're losing the daily. Was that the last dead cat bounce? We're still getting some absorption here. But how much longer can that continue? Sol, Luna both strong. Where will you long it? Yeah. I don't really think I'd want to be in Sol or Luna. Key? This one. Oh, you hit the 1.618 on both log and linear. So that has hit target. We are there. We have a daily order block. So actually there's stuff to trade on this. There is definitely stuff to trade on this, and it wouldn't be a bad trade either. Bitcoin's dumping again. Well, it's not, but it's moving down again. Oh, come on, just dump. Get it over with. Here we go. Where was I on? So keep getting distracted. Here we go. Okay, so you'd have to say we've got this like big even $100, and I do think that Sol would probably see a bounce around there. So yeah, I mean it's come up a very, very long way. Uh, oh, why do we keep getting buying on Bitcoin? Okay, so bored of this. Still over an hour until daily, monthly close. Okay. Oh, why does it always do that? Whoa. Why is this like lopsided when it... Oh, all right. There's not many people watching this. Bitcoin dumping isn't the best for... clearly isn't the best for viewers. I'm going to call it a night there, I think. We'll see what Bitcoin does. I will probably take my laptop with me and maybe see if I can get a couple of trades in on the Asia session. But I think I'm happy enough with what alerts I've set. So what I'm looking for is a move down to 45,800 on Bitcoin. You'll see where that leads ETH. And yeah, we'll see what happens with Litecoin as well. I'm really tired. So, what am I looking at? 45,800. Cool. All right. Yeah. Sorry, everyone. I know I'm not the most. I know I'm not the most lively tonight. But it's just yeah, just taking a look at things and yeah, just getting an idea of where we may end up tomorrow morning. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Apologies that it was very boring. Overall, it's just the price action. Okay, so yeah, we've got an hour until the daily close. We'll see what Asia does, but yeah, so far it's just these little dead cat bounces, and then everything just gets pushed back down again. So maybe we're about to see the same thing again here. It keeps doing this same, just repeating thing. Okay, we're back into the golden pocket. It's what it did earlier. Yeah, so we had the move down. We came into the golden pocket. We had the move down. We came into the golden pocket. It's just repeating this pattern over and over again. So if you're in a short position, it's just really easy just to chase this down. And the intensity is just starting to increase here. You can see how it's taking less and less and less and less time each time on here. So maybe this is an opportunity to take a short. Yeah, cool. Okay, yeah, that's enough for me. Thanks everyone for watching. I will catch you, yeah, everyone again tomorrow, and hopefully we have some resolution on what's going on here. So yeah, thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.